Logic board game. Mars Expedition SOL43. The gameplay involves flying a drone to a Martian base despite obstacles on Mars and completing additional missions on the way to the base. The board game consists of drones, tornadoes, wind cube, aerographene, and tornado track beacons. Also in the box, you will find a color manual with detailed explanations of the rules of the game. Cards with obstacles, additional missions, and a base card. On the back of the card are facts about mountains and minerals. The main game board is 8x8 cells and has a compass and Martian coordinates. An additional anomaly field is a black hole puzzle that you will need to solve. Tornado markers will show you the movement of the tornado. 43 cards with tasks for each SOL lived on Mars. Strategy cards for a game for two. And what kind of element is this? Write in a comment what it is and what it can be used for. The most interesting answer will receive a gift. This is a logical board game where you have to think several steps ahead to pass the level. Each level of the game becomes more difficult than the previous one. The elements of Mars that hindered you become your assistants. The goal of SOL43 is to live 43 days on Mars and complete research missions and return to base. Sounds easy? But do not forget that Mars is an unexplored planet, and who knows what surprises it hides from us. We invite you on a Mars expedition.
Hi guys, my name is Lina. I'm graphic designer in SOL company. I'm very glad that I had the opportunity to participate in the design of our new board game. May your expedition to Mars be filled with success, discovery, and exciting adventures.
Hello my friends, I am the author of the game SOL43. I designed the game to play with my son and friends during our game night. The idea was to develop a logic game that would be interesting for kids and adults. And we put this idea into the design of Unexplored Planet. I invite you to dive into the incredible expedition to Mars.